Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature a variety of hair transformations. The first one features someone who has decided to mix things up with this subtle money piece highlight look. This is a great way to just kind of add some dimension to the hair in a subtle way, nothing too drastic or dramatic. And then we have someone who is going to be getting a pixie haircut. So the client has this beautiful, natural, wavy texture that just looks amazing with the pixie. And then we move on to someone who has mid-length hair. And she has decided to switch it up with this gorgeous lob haircut. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up we have someone who has shoulder length hair, beautiful ginger hair coloring. It looks like the stylist is going to be giving her a blunt bob haircut. And then we have another bob haircut. This one features a gorgeous ombre hair color. Absolutely stunning. I am just loving the hair color overall with that one. So if you guys do feel inspired, don't forget to like today's video and check out this one if you want to see even more hot hairstyle ideas.